This is spare key on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2016. Customers ours. Autel internet. I'm just going to push the start button. So automatic selection, read the VIN, turn the ignition on, it is. Just waiting. So VIN reading failed. So escape, manual. So we're just going through seeing the option that we have. So go for the right year. So interstate scan. So we're going to add key. We've got the pin. So that's saying it must have all keys present, so that and that. Yes. So ignition off. Oh. Close driver's door once. Six-digit pin, which we have. Yes. So we'll just read this. Click OK to complete the following steps. In 5 seconds after OK is pressed, use the back or top of the smart key to hold down the start button for 5 seconds until the anti-theft lamp flashes. So we'll press OK. Programming succeeded, we'd like to program the next one. Yes. So again, OK. Program succeeded, we'd like to program the next one. No. Keys 2. So we'll escape. So we'll put both keys out. key. And the customer's key. Spare key on a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe.